What's up, YouTube? I have a message. Could someone please go to a parking lot full of cars, just write messages everywhere? That would be awesome and great. You can also draw some pictures too, like a guy drinking and driving. But please, draw faces on every single car. It would be freaking hilarious, and you might go viral. Only cool cars will have shades. Come on, man. I'm trying to do this with my kid afterwards. We're gonna go hit a parking lot or some shit. We're gonna draw on all the cars. Can't be that bad. I tried to do that meme face, with the little sunshine rainbow crap. Ugh. Oh yeah, I drew my kid. He's in the car. That's like a baby, right? Yeah? Hey!
Hi, we're at the airport.
We're gonna go home.
We're gonna go home and that is a poopy man.